Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. We're releasing a brand new cardstock pack. Not colors. These are colors that are already on our website, but this is a multi-pack of colors that have not been in a multi-pack before, that are newer colors that we wanted you to be able to get in a pack. Now, sometimes people like to get packs because maybe they don't want 24 colors, 24 sheets of one color. So here we go. First, we're going to start with 4 sheets of each. You are getting Flamingo. You are getting Sunshine. You are getting, oh, that beautiful blue Pacific. You are getting Orchid. You are getting Peacock. And you are getting Poppy. Look at how gorgeous these colors are. Now is your chance to get them on our website in a 24 pack. 4 of each color. Okay, yay! It is called the Chic paper pack. Okay, moving on, we have a fun one, and I know it's not going to look like much here, but I'm going to show you samples. It's a Happy Summer Foldit, and let me just tell you, it is all about the summer, right? Check it out. Look at this. I love this. Happy Summer with the cute little watermelon and the little ant. Love it. We are also releasing a new wax set, but let me show you all these, and I'm going to show you the wax set. I'm going to demo it for you because some people are new to our wax sets. Here we go. Here's another fun one. Happy Summer with our lemonade stand to stamp on there. So awesome. Ooh, here's a fun one with sunglasses. Don't you just love that? I love that. Ooh, here's another one. Happy Summer. Summer's coming. I'm so excited. Or my friends, put it on a 5x7. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, isn't that gorgeous? Love that. Now, I've shown you the cardstock pack. I've shown you the Happy Summer. Let's look at our wax seals. Now, and I didn't grab a handle. Oh, I'm going to show you how to do it the wrong way. Not the right way. This is one that is perfect for Christmas, perfect for birthday, perfect for any time you're going to give somebody a present. So it comes with 5 of these green sticks. I have my wax gun already set up. Let me add another wax in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in my mold. You could use a mold, or you could use, just put it on the silicone mat if you have one. And we're just going to get some wax in there. There we go. And then I love this glue gun because it has that little catch to catch all the extras. And then do not do it this way. Do not do as I do. Do not do as I do. Use a handle. We have handles on our well, we're getting new handles on our website, but here we go. We're going to drop this right on top, just like that, and we are going to let it solidify. And we're going to show you a picture right here of what it looks like when it's done. Isn't that awesome? Yes, the magic of video. Okay, my friends, the wax sticks and seals, the brass part, are limited edition. We usually sell out pretty quickly. Once it's gone, we will not be releasing that stamp, that seal again. So make sure you get it ASAP. They use standard glue guns that only use wax in them. I have on my Stephanie's Favorites on my website, I have an Amazon affiliate link. You can click on that and see the exact one I have that I recommend. It has an off button, a high and a low button, and it catches any extras that slip out. So go check that out as well. And let's see if we can get this done. It's still not ready. Oh, maybe it is. Let's lift it. There we go. So you're going to see it large and in charge. There we go. Pop that baby out. Almost completely dry, but look at how adorable that is. I love that. It has that cute little present in there. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.